Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. So to turn on this watch we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. If the logo doesn't appear for a longer period of time, you can always release the button and press and hold it again. Sometimes it just doesn't start for some reason. You can just press and hold it again, and at some point you should see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. And once you see it, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes at least a few seconds. But here we have it, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.